Kissimmee, the vacation home capital of the world. With over 30,000 in the surrounding areas and just a short distance from our biggest theme parks and attractions, we've narrowed it down to one that really stands out. With a total of over 9,100 square feet, 8 bedrooms, a vast open floor plan, and an upstairs bar lounge that's reminiscent of a Vegas casino. Now, this vacation home is something you have to see to believe. I'm Larissa Maloney, and I don't know about you, but I can't wait to take a look inside. So modern. This is amazing. Look at the walls here. And it matches the TV screen. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving all of the light fixtures in here. They're all different, but they all are cohesive and go together. Stunning. The kitchen is a beautiful open plan with gorgeous pieces here. I am loving it. This is one of the 2 bedrooms downstairs. One of my favorite parts of this room, you get to take 2 steps and you're right outside to the pool. One more thing, take a look at this. This is one of the 2 kids' bedrooms upstairs, and my kids would absolutely love to stay in here. It's very nostalgic for me. Check it out. This is our secret room conjoining the 2 kids' bedrooms. And here's a slide right here. It's gonna take us to somewhere really cool. What doesn't say Vegas more than a poker table? So when you're looking to book your next stay in Kissimmee, Florida, be sure to check out the Organic Modern Mansion. I'm Larissa Maloney, and I'll see you next time.